Hello friends, Maddie here, and this is a very quick tutorial on how to extrude along curve in Blender. So first, I'm going to create one curve by pressing Shift A, curve, Bezier curve. So this is our curve. Go in edit mode, and you can select this, press G to grab and move it a little bit here. Press G to grab and move it a little bit here like this. If you want to extrude it, press E to extrude again. Select this, extrude, go in edit mode, go in object mode. Now go in edit mode, select this and press E to extrude. Click and drag here. So this is our curve. If you want, you can also select this E to extrude and you can select here. So this is our curve. Now how to extrude a object along the curve. So for this, go in object mode, press Shift A, mesh, and create one plane. So this is our plane. Rotate it a little bit like this. So this is our plane. So what you have to do is click on this plane, go in object here, object, convert, convert to curve, convert curve. So now it is a curve. So now what you have to do, click here on this edge, go in the here edge, and then go in geometry, in bevel, select the object, bevel object, and click on this pointer and select the curve. So we have something like this. So now see the edges are curvy. For that, click on this object. Again, go in object, convert, convert to mesh. Now go in edit mode. So we have something like this. So what you have to do is double click on this edge, double click on this edge, double click on this edge. No, double click on this edge, shift, press shift and double click on this edge, double click on this edge. So we have something like this. So go in bevel here and then little bit bevel it like this. And now go in object mode. See, so this is how we can extrude along the curve in Blender. If you want, I can show you another option. Uh, Select, go in add curve, Bezier curve, go in move tool, keep it here, go in edit mode, press here, E to extrude, here, E to extrude, again here. So we have something like this. Press here G to grab, press here G to grab. So we have something like this. Now I'm going to go in object mode, add mesh. I'm going to select cylinder here with 8 subdivision. 8, I will go 16 subdivisions. 16. 16 subdivision, and then I'm going to select all these faces and delete it. So we have something like this. Go in vertex, select all these vertex, and then scale it. And now here I'm going to press object mode, I'm going to move it here. I'm going to rotate it a little bit, and then I'm going to move it here like this, S, and scale it little bit like this. And then I'm going to go in object mode, convert to curve. So this is a curve. So click on this in geometry, bevel object. Click on this object. So we have something like this. See, the edges are not sharp. For that, go in edit mode. For that, select this object, convert to mesh, and then go in edit mode and select all these edges, all the 16 edges, and then bevel it little bit. Go in object mode. So see, so this is how we can extrude along the curve in Blender. You can extrude any shape from the mesh to a curve. So this is very helpful tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.